We should totally get a slime.
That one! Because it's a gallon? Yes. Jinx.
There's no jinx in here. It's 25 cents.
What?
Let's get it.
You cut. We just want one. Oh, add it to cart. Bam.
Oh, let it load.
Oh.
Okay.
Should we get? Hold on. Let me scroll up here. Do you
I
want to
go to fluffy slime. No,
Oh,
cheap slime.
No.
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. Cheap slime means
I
it's gonna.
want an orange fluffy slime.
Mhm. No. Wait.
A pink fluffy slime. That one or that one? That one. That one. That can. Yep. How much money?
It's 99 cents. Let's see. Let's zoom out of this.
Oh, wait,
Add
the
to
color?
cart. What color? Pink.
Pink and orange. Because we're going to get two. So pink, orange. Add to cart.
cart.
I got both.
Oops. So let's get. Oops. Go back to fluffy slime. Let's get this orange one that was right next to it. That one.
Yeah.
That's a good bestseller.
It's $9, but
It's okay.
let's see what scent we want.
Vanilla.
Strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry. Alright, add to cart. Alright. What else do you want to get? Let's, oh my gosh, get crunchy slime.
Yeah! Crunchy pink, because pink is your favorite color.
Yeah. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. I don't see any crunchy unless I'm just going. So, I don't see any crunchy slime, but
Let's just go search up crunchy slime. I'll do it.
my arm's killing me. Squishies is like so out of range, but they smell good. Because it has scent. Blah. It landed in the bowl!
Rachel! This is crunchy slime. And it has
Yeah.
a charm. That is really pretty. Wait. Actually, do we want this one?
No.
Actually, it doesn't look... It looks like they'll rip us off.
Yeah. Because how would we get it to look like that if in the package it looks like that?
Let's just not get that one. Let's get... Come out.
Okay, do you think that's it?
No. I want more. I want a crunchy pink slime.
Oh, wait, yeah. I'm so tired, but I'm so excited.
Crunchy slime. Let's get a pink one. Oh. Let's get out of this. That one.
That one.
That one looks so good. It's $8, but I don't care.
I don't care. Add
To
to
cart.
cart.
There's only 2 left. Oh my god. Let's go back. I think that's it.
Yeah. Oh, I got a text. I got an email. They want some more slime. We'll just do the price as
$100 or so. No, 200. Okay, we'll just do 200. I accidentally put 200, but that means even more. Okay, so they wanted like this gallon. Yeah, gallon. But like, oh, look, there's a bubble. And they wanted this gallon, but like, I am not giving this up. Like, are you crazy? No. Like, look how stretchy it is. Seriously. And it pokes. This is like, I made this yesterday, and it's so good. Like, I'm never giving it away. Yeah, and I'm back again. Remember the squishy scammer? Yeah, they started sharing it until, like, I never got any more views, so I just started slime scamming. So instead of this, I'll give them... I'll give them... I'll give them this... We're just not giving them it. Well, no. I know what we're getting them. We're going to give them this terrible, like, it was buttery pink slime, and it's store-bought. And, like, look. It's scented, but the smell literally gives me a headache. I'm not even kidding. I need to put it away. I don't know if I'm, like, allergic to the smell or something, but... Okay, the lid's not necessarily on, but we'll just throw it in this bag. Like, there's some stuff in it, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, now they wanted, like, the pink crunchy slime. Oh, a mini. And I do have the mini pink crunchy slime. It's, like, so good. It's a mini, and it's so cute, and I love it. And it has a charm somewhere in there, but what I'm going to be giving them is this. Actually, no, this is the good one. No. They want... Yeah, they wanted this one. They wanted this one. It's pretty good. Sometimes it does it, like, sometimes it's not that stretchy, but it's great for glossiness and poking. So, they wanted that, but this is, like, mine. And I'll give them this pink crunchy. They did want a pink crunchy one before. And, you know what, we'll just skip that. But, yeah, we'll just be giving them this. It doesn't really have a package. Well, actually it does. Doesn't really have a lid. It's just a Shopkins container. So, throw that in there. And they wanted the orange one. This is a Flirt Putty that they wanted. And no, it's Flirt Putty. And I just kept it in the container. And it's like so good. Like, I wish you could feel it. It's so good. It's crunchy, great for crunching and everything. But I'm going to be giving them this blue Rippy Flirt Putty. It's like greasy. It's disgusting. Like, serious. Ew. There's a long hair in there. Oh my god, I'm going to actually pass out. Ew. Yeah, let's just give them this. It's perfect. And because I'm nice, I'll give them an extra. Some super hard, gross, hairy, silly putty. And I think that should be good. Throw this in the mail. Stick a stamp on it. There's one. Okay, let's get it done.
Let's deliver this.
Our package. Rachel! Yes!
I'm so excited for the 3.
There's some extra things in there. Oh, there's this whole thing, but let's just not pay attention to that.
Okay.
Oh, this must be our,
Slime.
wait.
Didn't we order it in blue? Or orange?
Orange. This must be an extra. She's very nice. Ew.
Maybe
Feel it.
because it didn't have... Ew.
Maybe it was just an extra, but if it's an extra, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter if it's an extra.
Okay.
So,
And
anyways,
the next one
next thing
is
heck?
this.
This is pink. Okay.
This must be your pink fluffy.
No.
This container.
No, it's fine. It's but it's buttery and
Butter
fluffy, but
fluffy.
it must be another extra, Rachel. It's fine. It's fine. Just stop. Chill down.
There's not that
Gosh.
much left in here.
Are you serious? This was our crunchy slime we were supposed to get. We should order from different people. Why do we order from the same person?
What is this? We never ordered this. Ew, it has long hair in it.
I'm not getting that.
There's nothing else.
Are you serious?
What's this? What's this? Is she just trying to get rid of her toys? I mean, honestly.
Rachel, I got a surprise. I bought this from the store. Look it.
This is 10 gallons. Thank you.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and in the comments down below. Tell me if you like slime. Bye.